Hello, I'm Shweta and welcome to my channel.
In this video, I am covering two types of roots that are easy to plant. One is ginger and other is potato. First one I am planting is ginger.
For planting ginger, you do not need any seed. Ginger itself is a root. All you need to do is buy a juicy ginger from market and sow it in the soil.
Ginger is commonly used to cure cold, cough, flu and indigestion. We all love the aromatic ginger tea. Ginger reduces inflammation and not only that, it prevents nausea and acidity. Chewing a piece of raw ginger in the morning is advised for acidity or nausea. Ginger is very good for heart, prevents cancer and not only that, it helps treating muscle pain. And ginger is widely used in variety of recipes along with garlic.
It has to be there everywhere.
Soil for ginger needs to be loose. Hence, adequate watering is required. However, be careful with watering because the ginger roots below may decompose because of water collected in the planter. I add only 1 cup of water every 2 days to the bag. Make sure to choose the right pot for planting ginger with good drainage system, that is, good number of drainage holes in the pot. The ginger plant loves warm and humid climate. Hence, do not keep the container in a dark or shady place. Ideal day temperature for this crop is 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. However, the temperature at my location is about 24 degrees Celsius and can rise up to 27 degrees Celsius in daytime. Ginger cannot tolerate temperatures below 12 degrees Celsius. It's 10 to 12 months to harvest your ginger roots, that is about a year.
Let us discuss how we can sow ginger. When we sow the juicy root of ginger, the stems start producing from the tip of the ginger. From one single piece of ginger, we can have 3-4 stems.
I am using grow bags for both the roots. The reason for this is when the roots grow below the soil, you will see a disfigured bag which may indicate that some of my harvest is ready. Ginger is a root and it is expected to grow under the soil. That's the reason we require at least 5 inches deep soil. You can see my soil has become very rock solid and I need to crush it down in order to get some fine soil. Benefit of grow bags is they are quite flexible. You can increase or decrease the height. Only problem with the grow bag is the drainage holes and we don't have plate below. So the water is going to leak directly on your floor. Now I will start layering of soil. First layer will be soil. Next I will add some organic manure on the second level. Spread it across the soil. Now again add a soil layer. Again a manure layer. Now again a soil layer. I have done this twice. Twice the soil layer and twice is the manure layer. My soil is ready now. This is the ginger root I have purchased from vegetable vendors. You can see these small plants growing on them. This is because the ginger has been stored in a cool place for a lot of time, just like potatoes. It will start growing these stems. One ginger root has many stems. So you can grow numerous plants from only single root. You can see all these cuttings from a single root. You can have at least 2 to 3 plants from the single root. This is the part where the stem will grow. This is the stem part that will stay above the soil and the cut where we have actually segmented the section that will go below the soil. Plant all the sections at a distance of 1 inch. Cover it with a layer of soil. Add water so that the soil is completely moist. After 20 minutes, I am adding some water another time. Now I have kept the bag aside in the shade. I see some small plants growing after 12 days. With the help of this video, I hope you are able to grow ginger in your space. I will keep you posted how the ginger plant is doing in my next videos.
Another root I planned to plant after ginger were potatoes.
Potatoes are a rich source of carbohydrates. A potato contains magnesium and more potassium than a banana. They are known to be gluten-free and contain resistant starch. Potatoes are fibrous and contain antioxidants. They do not contain sodium or fat.
We can use potatoes in wide range of cuisines. About 3 to 4 inches deep soil is required to grow potatoes. The temperature required for a potato plant is between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius.
Temperature at my location can fall anywhere between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius in the daytime. Hence, I have kept the plant in a shade. Just like ginger, potatoes require soft soil. First time after potting, add water to wet the entire soil, after which you do not need to overwater them, else it will decompose the crop below the soil. I water the plant 1 cup every alternate day.
We can grow high quality of potatoes if the temperature is low and the environment is cool. First harvest for the potatoes require at least 3 months of span.
I have already prepared the potting soil. When a potato is stored in a cool place for a longer period of time, these sprouts appear on them, very well known as potato eyes. Once these sprouts have grown enough, the potato is ready to be planted. I am planting 4 potatoes, 1 in each corner. After 12 days, I can see a considerable amount of growth. I hope this video helps you grow potatoes in your garden.
If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Take care and thank you for watching.